You've seen the charts. Microsoft, Google, even Apple took massive hits recently. Investors are panicking. Why? Investors are realizing something terrifying. AI drives the cost of production to zero. If you can write code for free, design interfaces for free, and generate marketing copy for free, the barrier to entry for your SaaS company just evaporated. Your moat is gone. Investors are scared because they think AI is going to kill your margins. They think it's going to turn your software into a commodity. And they're right if you play the game the old way. But here's what the panic sellers don't understand. This isn't the end of SaaS, it's a filtration event. We're moving from an economy of entropy, where AI creates infinite noise, to an economy of syntropy, where humans create infinite value. I'm Brayson, the engagement director at Kalungi. We've helped hundreds of B2B SaaS companies scale from zero to exit using the T2D3 framework. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to stop competing with AI and instead use it to build the one thing investors can't devalue: signal. Let's dive in. Here's the problem your SaaS company faces right now. It's called AI entropy. Entropy is the tendency of all systems to move toward disorder. If you think about it, AI creates content at the speed of light. It remixes existing information into endless variations. But here's the catch. AI doesn't create new truth. It's a probability engine. It guesses the next word. So what happens when your marketing team uses AI to pump out 50 blog posts a week, or your dev team uses it to ship 100 features? You get noise. You get SEO sludge. You get features nobody asked for. We used to think speed was the ultimate advantage. In the T2D3 model, triple, triple, double, 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 speed was the game. But in the age of AI, speed without signal is just faster failure. If you use AI to just do more, you are accelerating entropy, drowning your own company in mediocrity. And mediocrity gets priced at zero. So how do you win? You become a Syntropy creator. Syntropy is the opposite of entropy. It's the discipline of creating order from chaos. If AI is the noise machine, you, the human, the CEO, are the signal creator. We break this down into the 4 C's of Syntropy. This is your new job description. Number 1, create. AI can predict, but it can't originate. It can't have a shower thought that changes your industry. Your job is to generate the new net insights that don't exist in the data yet. Number 2, AI gives you 1,000 drafts. A Syntropy creator picks the one that matters. Your new role becomes the editor-in-chief. And number 3, AI doesn't have empathy. It doesn't know why your customer is scared to buy. You do. You connect the dots between the pain and your solution. Number 4, consequence. AI doesn't care if it lies. It doesn't understand ethics or brand reputation. Humans do. You are the guardrail. Stop trying to outproduce the machine. You will lose. Start trying to direct the machine. That's how you'll win. Now, let's layer this onto the growth framework we live by at Kalungi, T2D3. You triple revenue for 2 years, then double for 3. But here's where most CEOs crash and burn right now. They try to automate the human parts of this curve. Phase 1, MVP to product market fit. The rocket launch. You might have needed a big team for this. Now you can code the product with AI. You can generate the landing page with AI. But AI can't find product market fit. Why? Because product market fit requires deep listening signal. I use the why, how ladder. You interview a customer. They say, I want a faster dashboard. You ask, why? They say, to save time. You ask, why? They say, so I can get home to my kids. Boom. That's the signal. AI stops at save time. I get to go home to my kids. That's the marketing hook. That builds a billion-dollar brand. Phase 2, T2D3 sprint. This is where you scale. In the past, you'd hire 50 SDRs to hit the phones. Today, that's entropy. That's noise. Instead, you need to restructure your team. We don't hire copywriters or designers anymore. Now, what we do is hire Syntropy creators. We hired a navigator, someone who keeps the signal clear. We hired a scribe, not just a writer, but an investigative journalist who digs for truth. We hired a sculptor who doesn't just make images, but subtracts the noise until only the brand remains. If you hire people just to run the tool, you are burning cash. You specifically need to hire people who have the experience and knowing what high quality output looks like. And that's the differentiation. Your team becomes completely focused on making the deliverable incredible, not being process oriented. Theory is great, execution makes money. Here's your 72-hour battle plan to stop the entropy and start scaling. Step 1, the Syntropy audit. Look at your calendar, look at your team's output, ask one question. Is this creating signal or processing noise? If your marketing team is spending 20 hours tweaking AI blog posts that say nothing, you kill it. If your dev team is shipping features just to ship, stop it, cut it. Reallocate that time to talking to customers. Step 2, the 72-hour rule. Syntropy has a half-life. If you have a brilliant insight today, but you wait 2 weeks to ship it, it's dead. It becomes entropy. If you have an idea, ship it in 72 hours. Imperfect and live is better than perfect and dead. Speed of signal is the new competitive advantage. Step 3, the stop framework. Before you hire the next employee, ask this question: who, not how. Then apply the stop framework. Standardize, templatize, optimize, productize. Standardize, make it a process. Templatize, make it a form. Optimize, make it better. Productize, make it software and let AI do it. If you're doing manual work that AI can do, you're wasting your human power. Save your humanity for the things AI can't do. Stocks drop because the market sees that the average is now free. If you're building an average SaaS company, you should be worried. But if you are building a company based on Syntropy, on unique human insight amplified by AI, then this is the greatest opportunity of your life. The noise is getting louder. That just means the signal is becoming more valuable.